Hi friends, my name is Harshada Kishore Valte. Today's date is 10th March 2022 and today's video topic is multi-threading. Multi-threading is a basic topic of course Java and the most of the things use of the multi-threading. Today we will discuss about what is meant by multi-threading, what is meant by the multi-processing. Multi-threading means it is in an executes multiple of an threads or simultaneously executes of the multiple threads. So it is called as the multi-processing. So what is meant by the thread? The thread is the lightweight of the processor, or the thread is also called as a thread is also called as the subunit of the processor. And the multi-threading, it is in a multitask is one concept. Multi-threading is undergoes one concept of a multitasking. The multitasking, it is in an undergoes upon performs upon a multi-threading, and the multi upon tasking is simultaneously. What is the use of the multi-threading? Most of the things multi-threadings can be used. Multi-threadings can be used in an game, say animation, say then cartoon, say this is the use of the most of the multi-threading. Say what is meant by the multitasking? Multitasking means the performs upon a multiple upon a task in simultaneously. So it is called as the multitasking. The multitasking is it is in two types. It is in a thread base and the process base. What is meant by the thread base? The thread base means of the totally dependence of the thread. So it is called as a thread base. And the process base. The process base means the totally threads will be depends on the process base. The thread is the lightweight or the subunits of the processor, so the low of the cost. But process base is the not of the subunit of the processor, not of the subunit of the processor, say, not of the then it is in a high of the cost. So this is the thread base or the process base. After that, the multitasking and the multi of the performance can be achieved it can be achieved of the interface. For example, the the test one, the class of the test one, it is implements of the thread. But class of the test one is implements of threads, or the implements of the another class. It cannot be of the possible. At a time the multiple thread can be executes of the inherits or the methods of the overriding. This is the multiples of the threads. Then multiple threadings can be executes of the two methods. It is one is the start method, and the second one is the run method. The start methods can be executes of the code, and the run method can be also of the executes of the another method. The multi-threadings can be created using of the two ways. It is in an runables of the it is in an how to achieve of multi-threading. The multi-threadings can be achieved of the runnable of the class. Then multi-threadings can be using multi-threading can be using of the multi-threading can be using of the thread, and then it is in creating of the object where at that times the usings of at that times will be using of the new of the keywords. They are, and now this and multi-threadings can be, it is in an it is in an the run to the upon open run then a ready of the conditions then it is in an then it is the runnables of the conditions. So at that time it is in an multi-threadings can be multi-threadings can be executed. That's all about multi-threadings. Thanks again.